Okay, what you're seeing here is the strip deadbeat escapement of a 1904 Ingram clock movement. Running very nicely. These Ingram movements run very efficiently thanks to their deadbeat escapement, and the plus side of that is you can actually use a thinner mainspring than Ingram supplied them with. This one has its original mainspring. I don't know how thick it is. I don't have the calipers to measure how thick it is, but you could use a .015 inch thick mainspring, or you could even go to a .014. Either one of those would work fine as long as the pivots have been polished and bushings have been replaced, which every clock movement has different amounts of wear. No two are alike in that respect, so you'd have to figure that out yourself. But yeah, this one runs very nicely. And the date is right there, November of 1904. So it's been around a while, but it still runs nicely. And one thing I should mention, and I learned this recently, you do need to oil where the pallets are, the bushing in the middle of that, just like a pivot. So I hope that helps you too. And yes, I know that one's going off in the background. Sounds real nice. And there goes the old Seth Thomas. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed this, and thanks for watching. Now back up where you can see a better view. Running very happily, as it should be.